Hello friends, today we're going to see how to make Nasi Lemak. Nasi Lemak is a Malay cuisine from Malaysia and it's very famous dish and they will be served every day 24/7.
Welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Please click subscribe button and click that bell button and you will get notification every day. Please like and share and comment.
To make the Nasi Lemak, we need the basic ingredient is a nasi and sambal and your favorite toppings. To make the Nasi Lemak, all you need 1 cup rice, 2 cup liquid is I divided 1 cup coconut milk, 1 cup water, sliced onion, sliced ginger, pandan leaf and salt, black pepper corns. So friend, this is simple. I use the rice cooker today. You always can make with the stove top or instant pot. I leave the link below how to cook rice in the different method. So just put all ingredient in the rice cooker and that's it friends. We can start this cooker and no time the rice is ready. So friend, this is the 3-4 item we need to cook. So we really need to start make the rice first. While it's cooking, we can prepare the other ingredient. So let it cook. So I just try to show you how it's look. The complete rice is fully cooked. It's fluffy, soft. It's perfectly steamed. Look at it, friend. Smells so good. The pandan leaf, ginger, onion, the fragrance so amazing here. So friend, for the side, I am going to make the turmeric fried chicken, or we call this golden fried chicken, because we're going to use that fresh turmeric friends. This is so good. It's give nice flavor and the fragrant. All you need the chicken, ginger garlic paste, sliced onion, turmeric, chili flakes and coriander powder, cumin powder and salt. Friend, it's very easy. If you don't have that fresh turmeric, you always can use that turmeric powder. It's just optional, but I really recommend it to use this fresh turmeric because it's really give nice flavor to this chicken. It just give nice that robust flavor. It's very mild. We don't have any chili powder or any green chili or spice in this chicken, fried chicken. But the turmeric is going to be game changer to this fried chicken. It's really good. So now I'm just going to pound it all the ingredient to make a nice marination for our chicken. So friends, we just give nice pounded, or if you don't have this pestle and mortar, you always can use that food processor. So friend, it's almost done. I'm going to marinate the chicken. So today I have chicken thighs. It's a boneless and skinless and I cut to bite size. So I'm going to add all that ginger garlic paste, salt, chili flakes and this pounded ingredient. So the pounded ingredient is again a fresh turmeric, coriander powder, cumin powder, pepper powder and salt. So friend, this is really good. I really recommend it. You need to try this recipe. It's so mild flavor, but the turmeric is really good. It's hold all that the juicy and then crispy outside the chicken, and let it marinate for about 1 hour. Once it's done, we're going to give one coating, light coating. I use that half teaspoon all-purpose flour, half teaspoon corn flour and coriander leaf. Friends, I just give nice mix and we're going to deep fry this fried chicken. So friend, in the one pan I just pour oil, let it heat, and I'm just adding all that chicken that we marinate about 1 hour. The marination, it's up to you. You can marinate longer. So because the turmeric is give nice flavor, it should be hold that flavor as quickly, so it doesn't need much time to marination. We can marinate for 1 hour, that's more enough. So friend, I just place all the chicken. I'm going to lid on and fry it for 5 minutes. I just turn to other side. Again I'm cooking for another 5 minutes. So total cooking time is 10 minutes friend, because this chicken is a boneless chicken. It cook fast, so and it will ready no time friends. This chicken fry is perfect as a appetizer, and the marination pretty much similar to the Malaysian chicken satay. So friend, you can serve this fried chicken with the peanut sauce. It goes so well. And but today I made for my Nasi Lemak as a side. It goes so well too. The Malaysian dish have a lot of turmeric, coconut milk, peanuts. So it's pretty much simple, the basic ingredient, but the variation is different. We always prefer use the little ingredient, but we keep have that good amount flavor friends. So it's all about simple and easy. So it's almost done, the chicken is done. I just drain all that remaining oil in a one paper towel, and we can nicely serve to the our side as a for the nasi lemak. So this chicken fries is ready now friends. Look at this, it's really golden color as its name, and it smells so good. I can't wait to try it. So friend, the next side is the anchovy sambal. Without anchovy sambal is the no nasi lemak. These two is the best fare for that the coconut rice. For the to make this, all you need is a half cup dry anchovies, 1 cup chopped onion, 1 cup tomatoes, salt, dry plums, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili, 1 tablespoon dry chili. The traditional way we make that from the dry chili, and we soak it with the hot water and we blend it. And this is the instant method. So I just mix with the hot water with that dry powder. So it's going to be nice chili paste. It's called chili bow in Malaysia. So in the one wok, I just add the oil about half cup, and I'm going to add that dry anchovies. So we're going to fry it for our side, and I'm just give nice fry. So once it's fried, it's going to be very crispy and crunchy. You literally can't smell that smell of the fish friends. So we need to make it nice crispy fry, and I'm going to remove it from the oil and going to drain it with the one paper towel. So let it cook until nice and crispy, and I'm just now it's ready. Look at this golden brown. I'm keep it half of that, and now I'm just add that chopped onion and then the garlic. So this is the way to make this sambal. So we need to cook the onion until nice brown and very soft. So let it cook. It should take about 15 minutes in the medium high. So let it cook friends. Once it's cooked, it's going to be the oil will spread, and we're going to add that chili paste. So friend, please watch the salt amount, because anchovy already have lot of salt, and it's literally dry fish with the salt, and we don't want to ruin this sambal with the again another salt. So if you don't need to add any salt, it's still come salty because that anchovies friends. So just watch that salt. Now I'm just adding that dry plum. So dry plum we call is a asam galagor. If you don't have, it's fine. You always can add about 1 teaspoon of lime juice or tamarind juice friend. So I'm just add it and let it cook until the tomato and all other ingredient become nice smooth thick paste. It should be like a very thick paste, and the oil must be very spread it from that sambal. So you must see the oil is floating. Now I just add a little bit sugar, and it just give the balance with the spice. The sambal is really spicy because the coconut milk is really fatty, so the one ingredient should be very spicy. And now I'm showing how I boil the egg. Pretty much everybody know. So we just add the egg in the water, should be room temperature, and let it boil for 10 minutes, and we need to turn off the stove and let it. So friend, this is one other method we used in Malaysia to slice that egg. So I use that yarn, and look at this, it's come out so perfect. If it not come as you've used a knife, it just run through that egg and you get perfect slice of the egg, friends. So just have an egg and just run the yarn to the string through the egg, and it's cut so perfectly and it's clean cut. So friend, it's just so fun. I just want to show you how I always cut the egg. So now it's ready, friend. I'm just going to assemble this nasi lemak. So today we have that sambal, ikan bilis or anchovy sambal, roasted peanut, fried anchovies, cucumber, fried golden chicken or turmeric chicken, boiled egg, and then the perfect coconut rice. So friend, this smells so good. I can't wait to dig in. It's just so mouthful explosion of the flavor. It's a crunchy, spicy, soft from the egg, and then the juicy chicken is amazing, friends. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much we enjoyed. This recipe is from many years. We doing the same method in Malaysia. So I like to share. This is the way we eat in Malaysia. Before you leave, click that subscribe button and the bell button to get the notification. Thank you, friends.